Welcome back to the adventure. We are here doing a 6,000 kilometer tire review on the legendary D606. So if you're into dual sporting, ADV adventure riding, and you're interested in having an off-road tire that's still capable on-road, this is a highly talked amongst tire in the adventure rider communities. Okay, welcome back to Breath of Adventure. Today, my 6,000 kilometer review on the D606. One of what I would think is one of the top choices for a more off-road versus on-road tire for those dual sporters that want to adventure on the trail, the fire routes and all such that. 130/90/17 and roughly 6,000 kilometers. Riding trails, snowmobile trails, ATV trails, Canadian Shield, and a lot of highway riding to get to those spots. Nothing like daily commuting on the highway or anything such as that, but just purely recreation off-road. So as you can see, we're just about flat. I'm very happy with the tread wear and didn't get anything weird, no weird cupping. I was cautious of how I rode this on the pavement, easy acceleration. Hey, the only off-road tire that gets better as a street tire, the more it's worn out. The D606, great tire. I actually have another one on order to replace this one. This is too low profile for me now for the riding that I do. My mentality is just to buy maybe a little better price point. These are about 180 Canadian. So I'd rather buy one or two of these a year and have awesome off-road grip and having mediocre street grip. I'm not really out here to be riding on the streets. I'm here to be riding off-road and on the trail. This is done for me. It's cooked, so it's been beautiful. Road noise, yes, you do hear them. Yes, you do feel it, but what do you expect for a dirt tire that's DOT rated? I've never had any kind of mishaps on the road with it. I've never felt it slide out. I've ridden in the rain, but I am a fairly experienced rider. People's opinions on how the tire is, because if the tire pressure is not within spec of the type of riding and the conditions that you're experiencing, it's not going to feel great. Now, the D606 is not a tire that you're buying to try to get 8 to 10,000 kilometers long term. It's not the tire that you necessarily want to buy for a long distance, around the world trip. But it is that tire that if you want to ride off-road aggressively and you want something that still hooks up well on the road, great choice, great price point. The other pro of the tire is that I could change it by myself with 3 spoons. Very manageable to do on the side of the road or the side of the trail by yourself. So I'll finish off through my 6,000 kilometer experience, majority off-road, trails, ATV trails, Canadian Shield, back roads, logging roads, unmaintained roads, pavement roads, all of the above. Majority 70% off-road and hard experience riding, but cautious while on pavement. I think this is a great combination. The Dunlop D606 on the rear. I think they're a great tire if you want to get into some of the gnarly stuff. This tire saved the day many times, and that's why I want to get another one. I don't see a downfall of it. It hooks up well in the mud, hooks up well in the sand, no issue on the pavement. Now, I didn't really try to knee drag or anything on it. I pushed its limits here and there. This is an adventure bike. It's not meant for doing 200 around a corner. But great tires. Highly suggest, give it a try. The price is only going to go up the more we talk about them, but overall, awesome. I give them a solid 8.5, 9 out of 10. If they hit 10,000 kilometers, that'd be a solid 10 out of 10, but not my expectation. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the new subscribers, all the comments. I appreciate you. Live to ride another day, and we'll see you on the next one.